My name is Tammy Hoaxane, and I am teaching the computer tech class. It is offered on the VUJC campus. I have been in the IT department for Southeast Du Bois School Corporation since 2001, and prior to that I worked in the manufacturing world and did IT support there as well.
My name is Brandon Merkel and I go to Du Bois and I'm a senior. We do a lot of projects with inside the computer and also on the computer, so you can learn both of how the computer works and also how to use a computer and the basic fundamentals to help you succeed later. This class, challenges you and teaches you new things that you may have not known before. It prepares you for what you're going to learn in your future.
My name is Jace Manas. I am from Du Bois, Northeast Du Bois, and I am a senior this year. One thing I've learned about this class is I get to take apart computers and then rebuild them and then see if they actually work. And if they do, then that's success, but if they don't, then I just go back and see what I did wrong and fix them. Probably the hardest thing you got to do is solder stuff on motherboards and other things like that. Yeah, I would recommend this class because, well, it's quite fun, and there's a lot of things you can learn in this class that you want to learn in a normal day at school.
My name is Gabriel Beglin and I'm a senior from Forest Park. I took this class because I thought maybe I could get some insight on repairing computers and the field of technology. We get to generally just take apart computers, which is what I feel like my future could be. I would easily recommend this class to other people because it's not a difficult class. If you believe that you would like to enter the computer field, this will help you immensely.
Whatever job you have, more than likely you're going to be working with technology. To understand how that technology works is just going to benefit you. You may be able to resolve a problem instead of having to wait for the IT department to come and actually resolve it for you. This is a dual credit class, so the credits are through Vincennes University. It's based on computer repair is the dual credit that they can get.